Hey guys, pawis na ako! Oh, say hi! Hi! Hindi sila tumitingin.
This is Jessie Ketz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Hello guys! This trip has been 2 decades in the making. Life, work, and motherhood always come first until we finally ask ourselves, if not now, when? We're the mothers behind the scene raising airline Nepo babies at work and at home. This isn't just a vacation, it's a long overdue reminder that we deserve joy, adventure, and each other. First girls trip of the year, fingers crossed it's not the last. Destination Moscow, where the weather's confused but the vibes are strong. Cold outside, cozy chaos inside, just like us. Let's start the adventure. Let's get lost in Moscow. By the way, this trip is because of our CC BFF Aimy's birthday celebration.
Sorry, it's DJ. May cute, diba? Cartoon. Parang ang si ano. May magpakita kayo. Maliit lang yung ganito.
Nakalimut.
Hey guys, pawis na ako. Oh, say hi. Hi. Hindi sila tumitingin.
6 hours later.
Привет! Welcome to Moscow! Hello guys! Ayan o. Hi guys! We are here in Domodedovo Airport and we're on our way to this express train to go to Moscow. Let's get lost! Pakanan daw ang express train. Ayan.
And akala nyo lang na naliligaw kami. Pero actually naliligaw kami. Yan, finally, we made it. Kung nasan yung express train to Moscow. Ayan na po kami. And it's more
guys,
economical to ride the train
nila for Moscow
than to take a cab here.
Siyempre, dito tayo sa economy class kasi meron din silang business class. Let's go! Sila... Ha? Wow! Ayun na, sige, pasok kayo! Bakit? Ibang klase talaga yun. Si Shirley. Kasi ilan ba yung binubuhat mo, sister?
Alam ko binubuhat ko. Alam ko binubuhat niya.
Yes, this is the metro, guys.
Parang kayo. Hindi ba nalaman? Ang lamig.
And off we go, guys. The express train will take 1 hour. Express na yun, guys. By the way, the rubbles pala, guys, we don't have it much in the airport. So, better prepare yourself or go to money exchange. Al-Ansari, I guess, can exchange dirhams to rubbles. Kaya yun ang ginawa namin, guys, kasi wala kayong makikita sa airport. Mahirap kumuha ng money. And in Russia, cash is still king, guys. So not all establishment na pupuntahan nyo, eh, tumatanggap ng credit card, except for the mall, I guess. Yun lang. Let's go! Look at the sceneries.
Several bad puns later.
Pwede ba lang ganyan?
Don't want pang vlog.
Well, I forgot to tell you guys, instead of the taxi, we all decided to take the express train because it's cheaper. So, but it's up to you. If you're going to take the taxi, it will be shorter. But for us, I think it did not take long also because it's the express train. Now we go back.
Few inches later.
Gusto katulog kayo, ha?
Hindi ka ba Surely nakita ka.
Hindi kayo na nahimik kayo. Ikaw hindi eh.
Hindi.
Silang dalawa na
Kasi sabi nila gisingin ko daw sila.
Si mami din eh.
Wow, I love this group. Every person has its own talent. May navigator, may nag-i-interpret kung saan kami pupunta, may ganda lang, may talino lang, at marami pang ibang jack of all trades ang mga ladies na ito. Finally, we reach our stop.
Hi guys! See that one? It's snow! This is Moscow! Let's get lost! Ngayon, the challenge is, we pass the metro, we pass the train. The challenge is looking for our accommodation, the Monarch Hotel. Guys, we will show you the snow. Ayan!
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Yeah.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
This is Let's Get Lost, Amy's birthday.
What do you do when you're bored? Dip your toes on the snow. Well, finally, we settled in our
20
accommodation.
minutes later.
Tulog na yung kausap mo dyan.
Meanwhile.
O yan. Hello!
Hi!
Nagkawalaan na po kami. Basilio! Crispin! Si Sisa nawawala na rin.
Jessie!
Uy!
Nasaan na kayo?
Nasaan na kayo?
Mas lapit ka, dali. Game.
Tayo ay pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi dinadana.
Yes, guys, this is the GAM Hotel in Red Square, Moscow. See how pretty it is. By the way, hindi pa namin masyadong nalibot yung place, pero ang gaganda niya, guys. Oh, look at it. Diba?
Hey guys! We is ordering, ice cream!
Guys, we got curious, diba? Nakikita nyo, nalalamigan na kami. Pero, ang daming pumipila dito. So, of course, we gotta try it. Quick story time, guys. Yes, nagkahiwa-hiwalay kami when we reached the mall. Two taxi, they drop off a separate place. O, diba, hindi yata gumana yung ways namin. So, we tour around the mall while the others is outside. Then, we had lunch kasi gutom na kami. And then, we found this ice cream place. Syempre, kaysa ma-stress ang lola nyo, we ate ice cream. And then, we found Good Samaritan, diba? God's grace talaga. And she helped us navigate the place for us to be able to get a taxi. And that's our Good Samaritan sent by God, o, diba? Because we don't have Wi-Fi. We don't have a way to contact them. And there's no Wi-Fi, by the way, in Moscow. We did not bring eSIM also because we thought we're gonna be all together. So, yun nga, I think yung taxi namin offline siya because he couldn't see where is the drop-off. So, dinrop na lang kami niya sa mall, sa nearest entrance. So, hindi kami nagkita-kita. So, we decided to go home na lang because for sure, we know that they'll be home also. Well, story time again. We waited for hours for them, maybe 2 hours or 3 hours until they reach home, guys, because in the hotel we have a Wi-Fi, so we know that they're home already. While we waited for them, we slept. O, diba? But they had a fun day, diba? Nag-ikot na half of it sa Red Square. Anyways, guys, that is life. That is the life of a traveler. So, lesson learned for today. Of course, this happened last April. And it's been a few months now since I started editing this video. Well, looking back, for me, it was fun memories, o, diba? That's why I always say, like, you know, keep memories, guys, cause it will last a long time and it can uplift you also, o, diba? That's why ang lola nyo ay nagvo-vlog to keep memories and to have like a diary na rin I can go back to whenever I'm lonely, whenever I feel sad, o, diba? That's the reason yung lola nyo ay nagvo-vlog. So anyways, going back, ayan, as you can see, ang ganda ng place, right? So, this is Moscow City, guys. O, diba? Malinis, maayos. The building is like old and there's new also. So, let's continue watching. That's it, guys. Reunited with the CC cause. Insurgent. Nandito yata siya sa gilid. And see you on the next episode from Russia with love. I'm His Birthday Edition. Episode 1. And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later!